If you are learning English, you might have heard people say, think in English. Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. If you are someone who have been learning English for a very long time, you might have heard this many times, think in English. Even I told this many times earlier in my videos, you should think in English to improve your English. How to do that? How to think in English? How to think in English, especially when English is not your first language? Let me tell you, thinking in English doesn't mean you need perfect grammar and big words. It's about using the English you already know to express your thoughts. Today, I'll help you practice this skill. I'll help you think in English. I'll ask you 4 simple yet powerful questions and I'll give you 1 minute to think the answer for that question. Speak your answers out loud. It is very important to speak your answer out loudly. If you need more time to think, just pause this video. Let's stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Question number 1. Imagine you woke up one day and you could talk to animals. What's the first thing you would say to your pet or any animal? Imagine you woke up one day and you could talk to animals. What's the first thing you would say to your pet or any animals? Take 1 minute to think about it. Speak your answer out loud. Don't worry about your mistakes. Just say it. How did that feel? Thinking in English doesn't have to be perfect. It's just about trying. Question number 2. Imagine you could switch jobs with anyone in the world for one day. Who would it be and what would you do? Imagine you could switch jobs with anyone in the world for one day. Who would it be and what would you do? Think quickly, speak out loud. Imagine living someone else's life. How is it? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. If you could only eat one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be? Describe its taste and why you love it. If you could only eat one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be? Describe its taste and why you love it. Take your time and explain why it's your favorite. Don't forget to describe its taste. Now, the 4th question. Question number 4. You find a time machine that only works once. Would you visit the past or the future? Why? You find a time machine that only works once. Would you visit the past or the future? Why? Think about the answer for 1 minute and speak out loud. Great job! You just spent a few minutes thinking in English. Keep practicing like this. Just answer simple questions in English. This can help you build your confidence and also help you speak English fluently. Now let me know your answers too. Just comment down any one answer from the 4 questions. I know these 4 questions are very interesting. It's different type of questions, right? It's not the usual ones. So I'm just curious to know your answers. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.